So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Man, click it up. What's up, JJLEE squad? This your boy Jordan. I'm back with a quick little video. I'm gonna show y'all what I've been doing for the past hour. Just maybe around real quick. You gonna see that metallic in the paint? There you go. Took out the whole little dash panel. Did that so I can sleep. Look over here. Yes, sir. Man, got that. Here's the other one. Let me show you what paint I used. It's all the way over here. And use that one. Where is it at? Here's the primer I used. And here's the clear. But this I've been doing for the past hour. Prime, sand again, added that top coat. I think it was like 3 or 4 coats. I used the full can on all 3 of these, and then after I primed it like 3 or 4 times, did that. Then I added the red, metallic red. Now I'm putting the clear coat on the top of it. Then this baby's gonna be done. I'm gonna dry it. I'm gonna heat it up. Let it sit all night. And put it on in the morning. See how we set. But yeah, I want to show y'all a little something what I be doing in my free time. Let me get my light real quick. Let me see if y'all can see it right. See? Crazy, right? Crazy. Probably better in the dark, but y'all can see. I see. Go over here. Follow the light. I see. Look at that. Got all in the creases, bro. Full dash. And now you asked me where the vents are over there. But I'm also, these little clips that go to the front, I'm painting those white. So you know everything isn't red and these little opposite color on it. So I'm gonna paint those white. It's gonna pop through right here. It's gonna be a white outline in each of the holes where the vents go. So that's gonna be set up Gucci. So stay tuned. And the next time y'all see these babies, they're gonna be on the car. Y'all gonna tell them what you think. All right, JJLEE squad. I'm gonna let them dry. I'm not entirely done yet. Well, I'm done painting them, but they just gotta dry. So I'm gonna let y'all see with the flash on so y'all can see the flakes in the paint. So here we go. And this is all DIY, bro. If I can do it, y'all can do it. Look at that. The flake in the paint. And we'll go right here. Look at that, y'all. That's so crispy, bro. That's so crispy. Like, come on now. Jesus. I didn't get inside here too much because I mean the dash is gonna cover that anyway, so you know that's a little white, but I got this baby set up, bro. Like I said, it's been cleared about 3 or 4 times. These babies are sitting beautifully, man. Like I said, if I can do it, y'all can do it, bro. This only took what, like 2 hours maybe, because I wanted to do it right. I was thinking about painting the words white, but I was like, I'm gonna just leave it alone like it is, because it looks good the way it is. Look at that, bro. Ooh. These babies are shining, bro. That's crazy. I can't believe this worked out. I can't believe it. Ooh. But yeah, there y'all go. Now, the next time y'all will see these, they will be installed. I just wanted to get like lights off, dark view, flashlight on, like just the paint, bro. Look at that. 101 Drago 392, the custom wide body scat pack. Up, y'all, this is how we looking inside the dash, as y'all can see. That bitch clean. That bitch clean. I done myself. I'm gonna leave that alone, man. It's a little white. It's right there. That's fine though. But y'all can see, let me raise this up a little bit. This baby is looking crispy, bro. What the fuck? I outdone myself again. Look at that. Let me clean out the screen. I still got the plastic on my screen, bro. But y'all can see, got the vents in. Painted that white. Make sure the dash all in. But yep, we are Gucci, as y'all can see. They said that baby sitting down. Make sure it's all sitting down right, so we won't have a problem. But yep, baby's in. Hope y'all like it. Let me see something real quick. Just testing it out, testing it out. Yep. It's Gucci too, so I ain't got nothing to worry about. Bro, this is fire, bro. This is fire. Oh my god, bro. This is lit. Oh my god. JJLEE Squad, your boy's back. I hope y'all doing good. I was finna upload the video and my ass did not show y'all under the hood. Last night I was so fixated on the inside, I didn't show y'all how the engine covers look. So we'll go ahead and go inside first this time, so y'all can see. Fully crispy clean. Man, look at that flake though. Look at the flake in the paint, bro. So clean. So clean, bro. Pop that baby up. Let y'all show y'all the engine covers. First, let me step back because this baby looking crispy. Perfect. My own wide body I made myself. See if I open this hood real quick. And bam. Look at that. Look at the flake, bro. I'm probably gonna do that, do this one too. And I don't know what else I can do. Maybe the shut I can do those, and maybe that too. Just not too much red, but you know. So you can actually tell by that sunlight. The baby just hit, bro. It's ridiculous. I don't like to be too big-headed, but I did myself on these, y'all. I was thinking about making that white, but I was like, nah, leave it alone. I don't want to mess it up. It already looks really good like how it is, straight red. This is already white. The car is already white on the inside, so I was like, that's good. Red, white, little black right there. Look, red, white, of course, black. But that's how they looking. Let y'all see it in the sunlight. See the sparkles though, bro. I'm really happy with the outcome. So yeah, I may buy more paint today and just maybe do that. Pop out the strut towers, sand, paint up prime paint, do the same thing so I can just have a little red here and there. But yeah, that's pretty much it on that. Ooh, bitch. That's pretty much it on that, honestly, y'all. Yeah, oh yeah, I don't know if I told y'all, but carbon, all the red is matching pretty much. I'm gonna sit up in here, try to get a full view. Look at that. And then like I took the little small vents out. I took the entire vents out, and then I took this little portion right here. I was like, bro, maybe I can take that out. Ended up popping out. I was like, instead of making it all one color red, we need a little contrast with the white. I don't know if I said this already, it's the next day, but need a little more contrast. So bam, we got the little white vent faces going around like that. Cause you know, I didn't want to do the same thing everybody else is doing. Cause you know, they'll buy that little, they'll buy the cover for it and stick it on there, and then it's not really a lot of options. Either red, I guess there's different colors, purple or something like that. But to get like a flake like that, bro, you gotta either dip it or paint it. Man, of course I want to pay for dipping. Sometimes I like to do my own work, and I like to test myself. If that makes sense, you know. Like I said, I test myself, the steering wheel, that went well. Did on my friend's car, and now that baby set up. And then did the faces first time ever. Like, I left a little white spot here. I'm not gonna, you know, try to hide anything, because of course y'all probably see it, but you know, it's not like it's bad. I'm just making sure this baby in here good. Let me see. Yeah. Just make sure this baby in here good, man. But yeah, as y'all can see, you got a little mission complete. I love the way the color looks, especially like, and wait till the sun start coming. It's gonna be shining and sparkling when I have the windows down, man. So yeah, it pays off. Got the red gauges, red forged carbon steering wheel. I added that little wrap part right here myself. I don't know if y'all noticed. And then I may make this red also. And then I may pop, I think you can pop that out. And then one of my friends said make this little part red. But I don't know if you can really pop that out. I don't think I'm gonna try it though. I ain't trying to break shit. I'll probably look that up. But yeah, I'll probably paint this baby same color, because I don't want to have too much red in here, bro. Like, I got full red for it. I'm trying to find some red scat pack seats that be like in the other chargers and challenges, those red and black ones with the red B logo. I want those for sure. I'm gonna find those one day. Just stay tuned. Like, I want to do a full interior swap. Like, I want to take the doors off, put the red and black doors, red and black seats. Like, I'm for real. But I'm gonna find it one day though. But that's about it, y'all. I just want to show y'all the progress during the day. And I didn't show y'all the engine stuff, so there y'all go on that. But yeah, there y'all go. Tell me what y'all think, man. If I can do it, you can do it too. So remember to like and subscribe. I'll catch y'all later.